In the realm of culinary efficiency, the best food processors stand as indispensable kitchen companions, effortlessly tackling tasks from chopping and slicing to dough kneading, saving valuable time and effort. Join us in our upcoming video as we unveil the top 5 food processors that redefine convenience, elevating your cooking experience to new heights. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Cuisinart DFP14BCNY Food Processor. It is a powerhouse in your kitchen with its 720-watt motor and 14-cup large capacity bowl. From dips to soups, hummus to salsa, this food processor can handle it all, making it a must-have for every culinary enthusiast. Equipped with convenient features, the processor includes on and off pulse buttons, a Lexan bowl, and an extra-large feed tube with small and large pusher bowl sleeve assembly. The detachable disc stem ensures easy use and cleanup, providing efficiency in your food preparation. The cord length of 36 inches offers flexibility in your kitchen setup. This package comes complete with essential accessories, including a stainless steel standard slicing disc, 4mm, a medium shredding disc, and a stainless steel chopping mixing blade. The inclusion of a spatula, instruction manual, and recipe booklet adds to the user-friendly experience. Please note that the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable, and for setup guidance, the user manual is a valuable resource. Rest assured with a full 5-year warranty on the motor and a limited 3-year warranty overall. Number 2. KitchenAid 13-cup food processor. With a unique in-bowl storage caddy, you can conveniently store all blades and discs, ensuring easy access and organization. Experience precision slicing with the externally adjustable exact slice disc, allowing you to customize thickness from thick to thin effortlessly. The snap-and-go design feature offers a twist-free, one-click bowl assembly with a latched lid, making setup and cleanup a breeze. Just add warm water and a few drops of dish soap to the leak-resistant bowl for quick and easy cleaning of both the bowl and blades. The 3-in-1 feed tube minimizes prep time by accommodating various ingredient shapes and sizes. Whether you're processing tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes, and more, this versatile food processor lets you chop, shred, precision slice, knead, and mix a wide range of ingredients, from fresh veggies to cheeses, doughs, sauces, salsa, and beyond. With a generous 13-cup capacity, this KitchenAid model is suitable for every occasion. Whether you're whipping up a quick salsa for Taco Tuesday or tackling a major slicing event for pizza night on Friday. Number 3. Vitamix 12-cup food processor. This food processor is a versatile attachment that seamlessly integrates with your Vitamix blender, eliminating the need for an additional standalone appliance. With a generous 12-cup capacity for dry ingredients and 9 cups for wet ingredients, this food processor provides ample space for all your culinary creations. Crafted with a clear bowl, lid, and food pushers, the Vitamix food processor ensures easy assembly and disassembly. The intuitive storage solution minimizes parts, streamlining your kitchen experience. The package includes a self-detect base, 12-cup work bowl lid, 2 food pushers, 1S multi-purpose blade, and 2 reversible slice shred discs, all neatly stored in a convenient disc storage case. Please note that the motor base is not included in this package. Designed for compatibility with Ascent and Venturist motor bases purchased in the US and Canada, this food processor attachment adds a new dimension to your Vitamix blending experience. However, please be aware that it is not compatible with Explorian or Legacy bases. Number 4. Ninja BN601 Food Processor. This food processor is your kitchen powerhouse with a mighty 1000 peak watt motor that effortlessly tackles the toughest ingredients. Designed for professional performance, this food processor comes with dedicated blades and discs that deliver restaurant-worthy results, ensuring precise chopping, consistent slicing, and even mixing all in one versatile appliance. Equipped with 4 auto-ic intelligent preset programs and 3 speeds, low, high, and pulse, the Ninja BN601 makes food prep a breeze. Chop veggies, shred cheese, whip up smooth sauces, and create quick pizza or cookie dough from scratch all at the touch of a button. The XL 9-cup processing bowl offers ample capacity for both small batches and larger quantities, perfect for accommodating the needs of large families or entertaining guests. Experience the convenience of mixing dough in seconds with the powerful dough mixer, capable of folding in ingredients quickly and evenly to make up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. The package includes the 1000 peak watt motor base, 9-cup precision processor bowl with feed chute lid and pusher, quad chopping blade, dough blade, reversible slicing and shredding disc, and a 20 recipe inspiration guide to spark your culinary creativity. With easy cleaning in mind, all parts are BPA free and dishwasher safe. Number 5. Breville Sous BFP 800XL Processor. Unbox convenience with 5 multi-function discs and 3 blades that cater to your every culinary need. The 5.5-inch super wide feed chute minimizes the hassle of pre-cutting most fruits and vegetables, saving you time and effort. This powerhouse comes with 2 BPA-free processing bowls, a generous 16-cup large bowl for your substantial tasks, and a convenient 2.5-cup small processing bowl for more petite portions. The LCD display features a count-up and count-down auto-timer, adding precision to your culinary endeavors. Operating at a voltage of 110 to 120 volts, it ensures consistent and reliable performance. For organized storage, the Breville Sous BFP 800XL includes an accessory storage box that can be stored either horizontally or vertically, adapting to your storage space. The stainless steel blades guarantee durability and efficiency, while the provided plastic spatula makes handling a breeze. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.